Hello, people, and welcome.
Strapping lads and lassies, this ain't your average travel vlog.
I don't usually do these type of videos, but I thought I would do this one. I use my route app to navigate and to make my routes. But last week I got somebody told me about stagrio.io, and I got a code so I could use it for 3 months. So I'm comparing the both, and I thought I would let you see. What we'll concentrate on today is the website, just to let you see what the difference is. And this is live. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Capital ADV gave me the code. He's no sponsored either, or they're no sponsored either. So this is unsponsored, live, just me going through both the websites just to see what the difference is, actually for myself. And I thought I would video it and let you see what I found. So let's take a look at my route app first. Now, this is the my route app's homepage. I'm a lifetime member, so I can use the whole site. They've got you can log in and use the routing app or the routing website for free, I believe. I can check that out if you want and let you know. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. But this is just me trying the difference between the two sites. And I'll do another video navigating with the apps, and I'll let you know how that goes as well. But this is what I use quite a lot. I use a round trip. So I've tried to use the same settings, or I'm going to use the same settings for both and see what kind of route they produce. So let's take a look. 150 kilometers. Next step. You can say which the direction you want to go. We'll choose east. We'll avoid ferries. We'll avoid highways, main roads, residential roads. I'll leave the unpaved roads. I'll avoid them as well. Okay, let's generate the route. See what it does. It gives you three options: 137 kilometers, 148, or 129. So let's look at the 148. Let's take a look what it's done. Looks pretty good. You can use it. That opens up as a route. You can save it, change its name, edit. Okay. You see all the waypoints. I can change the avoidance. I can change the route optimization, and I can change the maps. For me, this is pretty straightforward, of course, because I use this app. Let's see. Here's the waypoints. Looks pretty good. I can save this, and if I'm using the MyRoute-app navigation, I can open this and navigate straight away with this route. I can also export it in different formats. So you could import it into your TomTom or your Garmin or another navigation app. You can email it. You can do loads of stuff. So it looks pretty good. Let's do the same again with the Stagrio and see what options you've got there. And like I said, I'm just comparing the two websites, so I've not really got an opinion on what one's better. I'll take that one and I'll clear that one because I did that for myself to test it. Okay. Sorry, I missed a step. This is the homepage where you can download it, log in, and use your subscriptions. And like I said, I got a 3-month trial because I said a week isn't actually long enough to test it. So I've got a 3-month trial, and we'll see how that works. What I forgot to mention was that they work on Android Auto CarPlay, Android and iOS, both. So let's go to the studio. Exactly the same. Create a round trip. Let's see what it does. I believe this one. I'll just go to current location. Create a round trip. East. Set the same. Adventure. I'll just use curvy tarmac. Distance. We said 150 kilometers in my route app. Avoid ferries. avoid tolls, curvy, curvature, yeah, we'll leave that one full, create, round trip. Now, actually, that looks pretty similar. It goes the same direction, of course, we said east. This one goes not quite into Germany, and this bit is a bit strange. Oh, it goes into Germany. This is a bit strange, this, where it takes you down, turns you and comes back. It doesn't look too bad. Looks quite an interesting route. Now, I can do the same, show full route on map. That's what I did on my route-app. Privacy, I can share it. Here's the waypoints. Download it as GPX. You can save it, and then you can use Stegra to navigate. So it looks pretty similar. Like I said, this is just a walkthrough. I'll save that. Unlock with Stegra core, become a Stegra. I thought I was logged in. Okay. Well, looks like I can't save it, so that's a shame. I thought I had a subscription. My routes, my rides. Let's put this on the map. You can change the maps. This is all pretty similar to my MyRoute-app. Points of interest. Till now it looks pretty similar to the same functions as my MyRoute-app. So that's pretty good. I think we'll give this route a go. Maybe tomorrow we'll keep that. But it's it works pretty similar, pretty intuitive, quite impressed. Here you can download the routes that other people have made. In my MyRoute-app, you've got the same function. It's Route Lab library. No, this is the same function in my MyRoute-app. So you can say, I'm in the Netherlands, and I'm in Gelderland, and we'll say maximum 150 kilometres, and you can download these routes and have a look. So the functions are pretty much similar. Have a look, see if you can my routes. Oh yeah, join routes. Okay. No, like I said, it's functions. It looks pretty similar. So I would try down where I live, but can't find anything. So okay, yeah, till now functions that looks pretty similar. It's pretty intuitive, especially if you're coming from my MyRoute-app. It's pretty easy to use. So, like I said, we'll give it a go in the navigation app and see what the difference is. And what I'll do the next time is I'll make one route in one of the two websites, and then I'll import it into the navigation system for Stegra and for my MyRoute-app, and then I can switch while I'm riding between the two and see how that works. And then actually, yeah, you're testing if somebody's using my MyRoute-app and somebody's using Stegra, and they're using the same route, how that'll work. So I'll test that in the next couple of days or next week or something, and I'll post that video as well. Now, anyway, thanks for watching. I don't usually make these type of videos, but because I got this Stegra subscription, I thought I would check it out and let you see, because I'm quite interested to see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and yeah, ride safe.
Strapping lads and lassies. This ain't your average travel vlog. It's throttle, grit, and glory. Let's ride. Yo, it's the Scottish biker, revving loud and clear. From the Highlands to the Alps, shifting every gear.